Hello there, my name is Naeem from PowerPoint Crafts. In this video, I'll show you how you can make this animated infographic process. Please watch this video till end and also consider subscribing my channel. I have already opened a new PowerPoint page and let's select this arrow and draw it here. Just rotate it. And just increase the size and width as well. Through the orange arrow we can adjust the size and we can reduce the shape of the arrow. Let's make duplicate copies. We'll make 5 duplicate copies here. Let's select all and just remove the outline, going to format, going to align, and just try to align it and see that the gap is equal in between the shapes. Let's select this triangle and just rotate it this way. And no outline. We will copy and paste to the all of these shapes. Let's make another duplicate copy and change the color and reduce the size and just place it over the blue shape. What we need to have exactly the exact shape from the top. Yeah, it's now we'll just reduce and we will place it here. So we will paste it the same shape and just adjust and make sure it is well aligned, and we will repeat this copy and paste with all. Right, so just zooming out and checking is everything okay, and let's change the color of all of these shapes. I have already preset of colors over there just to save some time, and we will repeat the same with all of these shapes. Then we have filled the color in all of these shapes. I have already the text here just to save some time. We will place the text now. Just changing the color to white. We'll place numbers on the top here. I have taken these icons from the PowerPoint itself, from the insert tab. Bring it to front and change the color to white. Place it here. This will go to the third. Great. Just adjusting a little bit. And I have also made some text just to save some time, and making it in a white color and bringing it to front, so we can add this to all of these shapes. Before we move to animation, we will group these items, the objects and text, in a proper way how we want it in the animation. If you see, I'm grouping these together. I'm not grouping the triangle, but I'm grouping again the text and behind shape and the number. So we will repeat the same step with all of these shapes, and we'll send it back. Great, this is then we'll send it to back, and now we will move to the next step. Selected this shape, going to animation, and I'm going to select wipe animation. I'll change the direction, should be from the top. Great, and I'll select this shape again, and I'll make it with previous, and select this triangle, wipe animation again. The direction looks okay. Let's go to how we can start. It should start after previous. Let's select this group again, wipe animation. Direction looks okay, and started after previous. We'll select again this group, wipe animation, just change the direction toward down from the top, and it should start after previous. Select this triangle, wipe animation again, and change after previous. Select this group, wipe animation, direction is okay, and select after previous. Select this group, wipe animation, change the direction, and change select this triangle, wipe animation again, and change it to after previous. Let's also change to after previous, and select this group, wipe animation, and direction is okay, and should start after previous. Wipe animation again, change the direction, select this triangle, wipe animation again, select this. Now we need to change to start after previous. Triangle, start after previous, and this group to start after previous. Select this last one, wipe animation from the top, and select this triangle, wipe animation, and should start after previous. Let's do this here as well, and select this, wipe animation, direction is okay, start after previous. Let's open the animation pane and see. It looks okay, that's perfect. And let's close this, and let's try to play and see how it look like. Beautiful. If you see, we have a one blue triangle. Let's remove one where we don't have the animation, and let's keep it here and just try to adjust it. Okay, let's play again and see how it look like. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching, friends. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.